This tram is for Dundonald Road. Bugger! I want to go to Wimbledon! Oh, well, it's not a very long walk. It's lifts all the time. And now we go to the first lifts, which are some really nice 1980s fissons. These lifts are actually quite rare and are really nice. But sadly, since last time, I've had their logic replaced. Oh, at least nothing else has been replaced. They still look really original, apart from fat buttons now light up with sort of yucky sort of LED modern blue rather than nice old yellow lamps I used to have. But other than that, everything else is still original. Looks exactly the same. On the outside, it has this custom floor indicator, which is really nice. But now I've had their logic replaced, they don't run quite as nice. And also, staff only floors now have been locked, which is annoying. These lifts go from lower parking, lower mall, upper mall, cafe level, and one of the two lifts goes up to spooky level. Let's ride them.
Going down. Lower car park. Doors open. Please mind the doors. Doors closed. Going up. Upper shopping. Doors open.
And now we go along to the next lifts, which are some more really nice 1980s fissons, but these ones have been horribly modernised. These lifts go from lower parking, lower mall, upper mall. Then next stop is spooky level. But I don't actually know if this is the same spooky level, whether these lifts go non-stop from upper mall all the way up to the same spooky level as the other lifts. Well, since each ones don't go to cafe level, is this spooky level just the same height as cafe level, and it's not actually quite as high as the spooky level in the other lifts? I actually don't know. Anyway, let's ride it.
Going down. Lower parking. more shopping,
And now we go along to the next lift, which used to be a 1980s Otis. I like nice 80s Otis or nice Eco Disc. Does it look like an Eco Disc but run like an 80s Otis? No, I just don't really like it. But at least I managed to work out what the code was. Yes! These lifts go from lower parking, upper parking, lower mall, back exit level, upper mall, then the upper shopping level, then staff only level. How many times will it take me to work out what the code is? First attempt. Nah, I didn't expect to get it on the first attempt. What about second attempt?
doors open, going up, doors closing,
I did it! Just 2 attempts!
second floor, doors open, going down, doors closing, doors open, going up, doors closing, first floor, doors open,
And now we go along to the next lift, which is a nice second generation Eco Disc.
first floor, going down, ground floor, going up,
And now we go along to the lifts I'm not supposed to go to, which are, of course, the service lifts. And just look at his service passage. That's how I like it. Nice and spooky. And the service lifts are some nice 80s Vissons. But sadly, even the service lifts have had their logic replaced. So disappointing. These lifts go from lower mall, a sort of mezzanine staff only level, which needs a key, then upper mall, then up to spooky level. Let's ride them. we got along to the next lift, which I wasn't able to find very easily this time. Last time was like signs, there's like little lift halfway along shopping centre, but the signs have gone and no sign of it. I'm so certain it's like the same staircase, so I actually had to look around quite a bit to find it, because the doors still all seem blocked up. It's like it's vanished. So I went up the staircase. This lift has quite a few weird mezzanine levels, and on one of these weird levels, I found a lift, and it wasn't working, and it appears on quite a few floors it's gone to. The lift's actually been completely boarded up. It's like I've got rid of this lift. It's disappeared from sight on most of the levels. Lucky I can still find it on this weird little mezzanine level, but no longer works. Very disappointing. This was actually the weirdest lift in the centre. It's an 80s piston, and this one is hydraulic. This lift goes to like loads of weird little floors. It's quite an odd lift. Oh well, let's open it up. Oh, that's annoying. It needs a long triangle key. Oh, the second lift I've tried to open needs a long triangle key. This little triangle key just doesn't reach.